Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself Dr. M.T. Busher presenting weekly weather briefing. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the past 1 week weather and about the weather that we are expecting next 2 weeks. First, let's look into the significant weather events that observed over the country during 1 week, last 1 week. The major event that occurred was the onset of the monsoon over Kerala. That was on the 24th May. That is normally against the normal date of 1st June. This onset was around 8 days earlier, and this advance was also a rapid. This till today, monsoon has covered entire Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, entire Telangana, and some regions over Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha, and monsoon has covered the entire northeastern states. The rapid advance of the monsoon, the reason for the rapid advance of the monsoon was the formation of a depression over East Central Arabian Sea and adjoining South Konkan coast during the week. And another reason was the one east-west shear zone, which runs roughly along a latitude of 17 degrees north in the mid-tropospheric levels. And the third reason was the formation of a low-pressure area over the northwest Bay of Bengal of Odisha coast on 27th May. Because of these reasons, the formation and advance of the monsoon was rapid. Coming to the other system that we observed on the last 1 week, there was a low pressure area formed over East Central Arabian Sea adjoining South Konkan coast on 22nd May. This system further intensified into a depression on 24th May over the same region, and which moved eastwards and crossed near Ratnagiri. This system has produced heavy to very heavy and isolated extremely heavy rainfall over this region. And east-west shear zone, which runs roughly along 17 degrees north in the mid-tropospheric levels. And another system was the formation of a low pressure area on 27th May over northwest Bay of Bengal of Odisha coast. This system further intensified into a depression and laid over northwest Bay of Bengal of West Bengal and Bangladesh coast at 5:30 hours of today. And further it intensified into a depression and crossed West Bengal and Bangladesh coast between Sagar Island and Kapuvara. This system likely to produce heavy to very heavy and isolated extremely heavy rainfall over the West Bengal, Bangladesh and northeastern states, and it is likely to weaken gradually in coming days. Coming to the rainfall reports, rainfall observed during past 1 week, from entire most parts of the country, rainfall was reported. The major rainfall activity was along the west coast and east coast. And if you look into the magnitude of the rainfall, very extremely heavy rainfall reports was from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, South Interior Karnataka, Konkan Goa and Marathwada. Over Tamil Nadu and Konkan Goa, 3 days heavy rainfall reports reported during last 1 week. If you look into the rainfall reports, very heavy rainfall report in the past 1 week over entire southern peninsular India except over Rayalaseema and from Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Bihar and Haryana, Delhi regions, very heavy rainfall was reported. Coming to the thunderstorm lightning activity that reports from the last 1 week, the major activity was from the eastern states of India like Odisha, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand. From these and also from Kerala. From these states, entire week thunderstorm lightning activity was reported. The thunderstorm lightning activity was reported from other regions of the country except Arunachal Pradesh during last 1 week. Coming to the gusty winds, that is with a strong wind speed greater than 40 kmph and above, from a major parts of the country, from entire parts of the country, gusty wind was reported. Coming to the heat wave reports were received from the West Rajasthan. Last 1 week, even 5 days heat wave was reported, and heat wave also reported from Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, and also from the East Rajasthan. Coming to the weekly rainfall during last 1 week, As I mentioned in my previous slide, in last 1 week rainfall activity was happened over most parts of the country. That's why country as a whole, India received 182% above normal rainfall. That is all India rainfall. If you look into it, against the actual normal rainfall of 15 millimeter, 43 millimeter rainfall has received over the country. Coming to the seasonal rainfall, that starts from the 1st March till last week, country as a whole, India received 31% above normal rainfall. Coming to the forecast issued for next 2 weeks, the top panel shows the forecast of rainfall. If you look at the rainfall, rainfall is likely to be above normal in the west coast of India and northeastern states. Rainfall is likely to be below normal in the interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. No rainfall activity likely to occur over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, west to Uttar Pradesh, Saurashtra, Kutch and most parts of the Tamil Nadu, NIK and Rayalaseema in week 1. Coming to the week 2, rainfall is likely to be below normal in the most parts of the country. No rainfall activity is expected from Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Coming to the forecast of temperature in the 2 weeks, so the maximum temperature is likely to be below normal in the week 1 in most part of the India except Bihar. So heat wave is likely to occur at isolated places over West Rajasthan in the week 1. And coming to the week 2, the maximum temperature is likely to be above normal in east and northeast India and likely to be below normal over the rest parts of the country. Coming to the forecast of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean during next 2 weeks. So considering the large scale environmental features and model guidances, it is inferred that the existing deep depression over West Bengal and Bangladesh coast is likely to move nearly northwestwards and weaken gradually during next 48 hours. Thereafter, there is no likelihood formation of any cyclonic circulation or lower pressure area over during week 1. Cyclonic circulation likely over North Bay of Bengal and adjoining area during the end of the week 2. So no cyclogenesis is likely over North Indian Ocean during next 2 weeks. Coming to the weather warnings issued for next one warning. So as I mentioned in my previous slides, the deep depression over northwest Bay of Bengal has crossed the West Bengal and Bangladesh coast between Sagar Island and Kapuvara in the afternoon. Under its influence, very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall likely to occur over northeastern states and sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim till 31st May. Isolated exceptionally heavy rainfall, that is rainfall greater than 30 centimeter, also likely over Meghalaya on 29th and 30th May. Very heavy to exceptionally heavy rainfall likely to continue over west coastal regions like Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Ghats area of Tamil Nadu on 29th and 30th May, and thereafter it may reduce. In association with western disturbances, rainfall along with thunderstorm gusty winds likely to occur over northwest India till during next 4 to 5 days. Under the influence of the strong monsoon winds, fishermen are advised not to venture into the marked area in this graph. IMD's forecast and warnings are also available in our social media platforms. Publics are requested to follow IMD's social media platforms and be updated with our forecast and warning. We will come with our latest warnings and forecast. Till then, namaskar.